My name is Ben, and I'm in love with a church girl.
Ben kidnapped my sister. All those happened yesterday.
How did Ben release Mercy?
He kidnapped Mercy and asked for 2 million. We thank God that I gave him 200K.
Wait, you had that money?
No, I didn't have money, but I tried to look around in the orphanage.
Alyssa, my fiancé, is HIV positive.
Yes.
But he's my best friend. Let us accept that man to come here. He's going to sleep on the carpet.
I love you.
I'm not getting you.
You're not getting me. What I mean is, I love you.
I tell you, I'm in love.
You're in love? You, Alyssa?
Jagala neighbor. I'm in love with my neighbor.
Of all people in the world, not choosing a Ben to be your husband, to be your boyfriend.
You have good news.
Yes.
Wow, you can also share with me the good news you have, my dear.
I've been praying for all along, but now God has answered my prayers.
So tell me, where is your uncle now? I'm now your friend, right? Where is your uncle?
He's there outside.
Not only being smart,
But
I'm smart and handsome. Obuyogera byenkana ki? Naye enjala ennuma njagala kyakulya. Oba mpasenge nengula chips, oba ongulira kawunga na mmere mu hotel, oba ongulira ki? Njagala kulya ate saawa zino.
Nakoze naki?